第1，穿。SIⁿ⁷-GÍ，伊在穿衫。
He is putting on his clothes. Note that
在穿衫
always means to be getting dressed, while
伊在穿的衫。
means the clothes that he habitually wears.
SIⁿ⁷-B，伊穿我的衫。
He is wearing my clothes. Note, do not use
在穿。
to mean is wearing now.
SIⁿ⁷-C，伊无穿衫。
He is naked now. Or, he never wears clothes.
SIⁿ⁷-D，伊穿真侪衫。
He is wearing many clothes.
SIⁿ⁷-E，伊无爱穿真侪衫。
He doesn't want to wear a lot of clothes.
SIⁿ⁷-F，因先生在穿衫。
Her husband is getting dressed.
第2，厝。
A possessive pronoun modifying the word
厝
follows the same rule as when modifying husband, wife. Lesson 4, page 84.
說括號意嘅
The sign of the possessive is not required. Parenthesis 2, the plural form of the pronoun is used even when it is singular in meaning.
說括號SIⁿ⁷-A，阮厝
My or our house, home, family.
說括號SIⁿ⁷-B，咱厝
Our house, home, family.
說括號SIⁿ⁷-C，恁厝
Your, singular and plural, house, home, family.
說括號SIⁿ⁷-D，因厝
His, or her, or their house, home, family.
說括號SIⁿ⁷-E，這是我先生因厝
This is the house of Mr.
我
Note, the expression, Mr.
我
his house.
說括號SIⁿ⁷-F，因厝有真濟人
Their family has a lot of people. Equals they have a big family.
說括號SIⁿ⁷-G，阮厝的窗仔門無關。
The window of our house is not closed.
第3，大字 A， 名
Given name. The first point. In lesson 3, we learned how to ask one's surname.
你幾歲？你幾歲？幾
Is an honorific term. In asking an adult his given name, we may use the honorific term
大
equals big or great.
你什麼大名？我號做聰明。
The second point. We ask younger people.
你什麼名？我叫做阿義。
The third point. We do not use the honorific term when asking the name of a third person, unless he or she is present.
伊什麼名？伊號做什麼名？
Note, if neither surname nor personal name is known, this question usually means, what is his or her full name?
大字 B， 姓名
This is the formal word for full name.
愛寫姓甲名無？
Do we have to write our surname and given name?
愛寫姓名。
Yes, you must write your full name.
第4，你
It is a place word, indicating that something is in a place in an indefinite way, but is added mostly to make a double sound. Single sounds,
厝
lack euphony.
你
Follows the 137 rule regarding tone changes.
楊先生有佇厝呢無？
Is Mr.
楊
home?
有，伊有佇厝呢。
Yes, he's home. He may be outside the house, but at least he's around somewhere.